Yo, what's going on, guys? So today we have another special video here. We have another bowling ball versus. So that's about 20 feet or so. It's not very high, but it's the best I have. So the bowling ball versus will be against this laptop, a phone, and a milk crate. Let's see how it goes. We'll go up to the top. Dropping in 3, 2, 1. So this flip phone here, this Motorola, screen's not even cracked as you can see. So the phone was a bust. So up next we have the milk crate. Dropping in 3, 2, 1. Ball burst laptop. In 3, 2, 1. So after the bowling ball just dropped onto this laptop here, as you can see, you can see cool technology that's in here. I don't know if it still works. It might still turn on. The screen still. You can see it's cracked up there. We're gonna drop it again. 3, 2, 1. So after hitting the bowling ball here, yep, she's, oh, battery fell out. She's just a bit broken. Well, if you enjoyed that video, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Other than that, peace out.